What's up guys, my name is Nick and this is Key Woodworks. Hey, if you're new to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you go down there and hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notifications by hitting that bell. So what am I doing out here in the shop today? Well, I'm working on a problem that pretty much every woodworker is gonna encounter at one point or another in their woodworking career. And that's burn marks on your stock, specifically at the table saw, which is where I'm at today. So stick around, I'll show you how I get rid of burn marks at the table saw.
Burn marks are never what you want to see when you're running stock through your table saw. So the first thing I'm going to do to eliminate those burn marks is remove the blade and clean the teeth really well. Here I'm putting my table saw blade into a shallow pan and pouring an entire bottle of Rockler's pitch and resin remover. And I'm going to completely submerge this blade. I really love this cleaner. It does a great job and it's also reusable. I'll put a link to this stuff in the description below.
5 minutes later.
After you've let the blade soak for about 5 minutes or more, it's time to brush your teeth. And what's great about using that pitch and resin remover beforehand is that you don't have to brush them like they've got a dentist appointment in the morning. The cleaner breaks down all that buildup and junk on the teeth and it comes right off with the help of that little brass brush I'm using. Don't forget to brush both sides of the blade and in between the teeth in the gullets. Once I get the blade all dried off on both sides, I'm going to set the pitch and resin remover to the side so I remember to refill that jug because you can use it again later. I like to use a product called Blade Coat on all my saw blades. It's a spray lubricant for blades and bits. It's meant to help prevent the buildup of pitch and resin, so I like to spray it on both sides and then buff it in. And of course, if you want to know more about this product, I'll have a link to it in the description below. With the blade all cleaned and lubed up, it's time to reinstall it back into the saw. But we're not quite done yet. There's still one more really important step to prevent burn marks when you're using your table saw. And that's waxing your table. You can use anything from carnauba wax to paste wax, which I'm using here. But a smooth, slippery surface will help your stock glide through the blade and prevent that friction from building up, which then leads to your burn marks. I like to add a liberal amount of paste wax with a small bit of steel wool and then come back and buff it off with a microfiber cloth. It always gets the top smooth as glass.
And there you have it, no more burn. So, simple as that. Clean your blade, wax your tabletop surface, and that should take care of most of your burn marks. Also, feed rate. But waxing this table surface is gonna help your feed rate smoothly push your material through the blade so you don't get any burn marks. Well, hey, if you haven't subscribed already, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. And then also check out this video I got queued up over here and then down here. And until the next one, we'll see ya.